Hello everyone. Today what we're going to look at is simplifying ratios. By the end of this video you should know how to simplify a ratio and also understand what is meant by a ratio's simplest form. So let's start with an example. Simplify the ratio 15 to 12. Well, what we're going to do is we need to think of a number that divides both 15 and 12. Okay? So what is a factor of 15 and a factor of 12? I can think of 3. So what we can do is we can just do 15 to 12 and we divide it by 3 because both 12 and 15 are factors, right? Okay, so what's 15 over 3? 15 over 3 is 5. What's 12 over 3? 12 over 3 is 4. So we can simplify this ratio to 5 to 4. It's the same thing with this one. We have a ratio 14 to 6. What number goes both into 14 and 6? Okay, let's try 2, right? So 14 to 6 can be written as 14 to 6, and we divide everything by 2, okay? So when we do that, we get, what's 14 divided by 2? 14 divided by 2 is 7. What's 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so this ratio can be written as 14 to 6, and we simplified it to 7 to 3. Same thing with this one. Okay, this one's a little bit more challenging because we're asked to simplify the ratio 36 to 30. Alright? Well, you remember when we were simplifying fractions? We can do the same thing. So what's a factor that we can use for both 36 and 30? We can do 2, so let's do that. So 36 to 30 divided by 2. What's that going to be? 36 over 2 is 18. 30 over 2 is 15. Alright? And can we simplify this further? Well, yes we can, because both of them have a factor of 3. So therefore, we can divide both of these by 3. So 18 to 15, all divided by 3. That's just going to be equal to 18 over 3, which is 6. And 15 over 3, which is 5. And the reason why this is its simplest form is because both of these are integers. Okay? So both of these are whole numbers and neither can be divided by the other. But if none of this makes sense to you, what you can do is divide each of them by one of the two numbers. So I'll give you an example of what I mean. If you want to, and you want to skip every step that I just mentioned, you can just do... So, alright, let's do it with 6, right? That 6 to 5 is the same as writing 6 to 5 divided by 6, right? Which is the same as What's 6 divided by 6? 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 5 divided by 6 is 5 over 6. So we can write, if you want to, 1 to 5 over 6. This is also in its simplest form because this is 1 and this is a non-integer. That also works. You can do it like that if you want to. What about this one? For this one, we're told that we need to simplify 12, 15, and 9. What's the exact same as what we've been doing throughout the entire video? What is a factor in all three of these numbers? 12, 15, 9. 3, exactly. So what we can do is 12, 15, 9 is equal to 12, 15, 9 divided by 3, okay? Because each of these, they all have a factor 3, all right? So let's do it. So 12 over 3, 15 over 3, 9 over 3. What do we get? What's 12 divided by 3? 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now this is a simplified ratio. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if this video helps you. If you guys have any further questions, do ask me down in the comments down below, or join my Discord server if you want to just send me a screenshot of your exam questions. If you guys don't want to fail your exams and you want to make your parents proud, let me tutor you. Drop me an email and we can organize a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.